Welcome to another Flyer News cooking video. Today, we're going to be baking an extra crispy apple crisp. First, you're going to want to grease a 9 by 13 inch cooking pan with non-stick cooking spray. First, we're going to combine all of the ingredients for the 2 crispy layers of oats in the apple crisp. We'll start by adding 4 cups of oats. These should be rolled oats, not instant oats. Next, we're going to add 4 cups of brown sugar, 2 cups of flour, 2 tablespoons of cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of salt, and 2 cups of butter. We are then going to thoroughly mix it up. If you'd like, you can add nuts to the mix. I added walnuts, but you may want to add pecans instead. Now we're going to spread the oats mixture across the pan. Make sure you spread it out evenly and make sure it's about 1/4 of an inch thick. You're then going to put it in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes or until the bottom is crispy. Your oven should be at about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. For this apple crisp, you should use a Cortland apple, but Granny Smith apples will probably work too. Next, you want to peel all 14 apples. Then you're going to want to dice them all into a 1/2 inch thick cubes. You're then going to want to make a cinnamon sugar mixture. 1/2 cup of sugar plus 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. You're going to use this cinnamon sugar mixture to marinate the apples. You want to sprinkle some on top and then mix it around. Repeat this process until the apples have been fully coated. You're then going to use those apples and spread them across your par-baked crisp. You want to leave about 1/2 inch to 1 inch left of space on top for more of the crisp. You're then going to want to layer more of the crisp on top and then place it back into the oven for about 45 minutes. A good indicator on when to take it out is when you see the edges of the apple crisp bubbling. I recommend eating your apple crisps with ice cream. That's all for me. Let's take it right back to the anchors.